Hello everyone. Welcome to another comparison video. This video is about the differences between vector images and raster images.
What is a raster image?
Before going to the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's go to the video. Raster images are of images made up of pixels. We can edit raster by using software like Photoshop, GIMP, Paint, etc. The quality of the raster image depends on the resolution of the image. If the number of pixels is high in the raster image, it becomes a good quality image. If the number of pixels is low of the raster image, it becomes a low quality image. That means it will be most probably blur the image. The other thing is raster images are stored in .jpg, .png, .gif file types.
What is a vector image?
Vector images are kind of images made up of lines. Since the image is based on the lines instead of pixels, it will not lose the quality when the images are magnified. Those image lines are calculated mathematically, therefore the sharpness, neatness of lines will increase the quality of the image. We can use software like Corel Draw, Illustrator, Photoshop to edit vector images.
So what is the difference between vector and raster images?
The differences between these two image categories have mentioned in the table below. Raster images are based on pixels but vector images are based on lines. Raster images lose quality when the image is magnified, but vector images can be scaled up infinitely without losing the quality of the image. Raster image file size depends on the number of pixels of the image, but vector image file size depends on the number of lines of the image. Hope you all learned something new. Thanks for watching. Please share this video with your friends.